Hello and Assalamu alaikum. This is Nasra here from my YouTube channel, Not So Perfect, Nasra Taj, Not So Perfect. So what do I have today? Ever since I started my YouTube channel, I was having a bit of difficulty in uh, making videos because I didn't have the equipment. So I started collecting the proper equipment for it. I saw this, it's camera stand, and I saw it on a website that's called wishhub.pk, and it seems like have come in a good packing. I'm going to open it and show it to you what kind of camera I have got. Here it says tripod 330A, a three-way head, built-in level, 3-section aluminum legs, quick lever lock. So let's open it and see what do we have here. Oh, that's great. It's inside a proper bag, which is a plus point. So I'm going to open it and see what do I have here. I am anticipating that it's going to be a good one, because I did check it properly online and I selected it. Seems like it has these plastic legs and seems like a good okay. This is where we attach the camera. It has this thing, a handle, a lever, a tightening knob. That's great. That's great, I must say. And then now I want to check what are the levels of the legs. This is kind of movable part. Seems like it must be having a good grip on the ground or on the floor, wherever you put it. Okay, that's how I extend the legs. First length. So this is what we have. This is the part where I will be attaching my camera to, and this is the lever to pull it down or fix it wherever you want it. The next is the height of the legs. Now let me see what is the height. You open these parts and pull these out. I'm so sorry, I'm still working on the ability of my videography. I'm not so good at it, but hopefully that's the main aim of this stand, that I will be okay. This is where you fix the legs from moving back or sliding back. Okay, that's good, that's great. Seems like a good thing. Oh, I just noticed something. There is a bump here. There is a bump here, which seems like maybe due to the packing or some problem, but it's okay, not a very big deal. That's it. That's what I have right now. And so this is my tripod. Seems like a good one. So it does come with another small jacket kind of a thing. It's, I think, how you put the camera inside. I'll have to see it and put my camera, my mobile phone, my cell phone into it and see how does this work. But so far so good. I'm satisfied. Thank you so much for watching. I beg leave and I want to check if this stand works well with my cell phone. So once again, thank you very much for being with me, and hope you will come back to watch my videos. Thank you so much.